factor the polynomial below. And if this really was a test question, then what you could do is you could just double distributive property all the answers until you match up with the problem. I would still like to focus on the factoring because it's such an important concept in the math. So I have it written down on my paper over here. And a reminder what we're going to do. We're going to take 1, which is the number in front of the x squared, times the 63, which is 63. And the factors of 63 are 1 times 63. It's not 2. 2 doesn't go into 63 evenly, but 3 and 21 does go into 63 even. Not 4, not 5. I don't even think 6, but 7 and 9 does. And what we're looking for is we're looking for values that combine to be 16. And the reason that I said the 7 and the 9 is because 7 plus 9 gives us 16. But we really need to have negative 16. So let's make this a negative 7 and a negative 9. And now we've got x squared minus 7x minus 9x plus 63. Technically, we write down the x squared, we write down the 63, and then here is the split. Negative 7x minus 9x is negative 16x. And here's our group. And here's another group. Our greatest common factor in our first group is x, the lowest exponent. And when we factor it out, we're left with x minus 7. We had 2 x's, we took out 1. We still have 1. We had 1 x, we took it out, we still have the 7. Be really careful with this minus here. But the biggest number that divides into both is 9. And when we factor out that, negative 9x divided by negative 9 is x. Positive 63 divided by negative 9 is negative 7. And what we see then is that from each group, we have an x minus 7. And then from the first group, we still have an x. From our second group, we still have the minus 9. And when we pull admentum back up, x minus 7, x minus 9 is actually the last answer. Notice that it's in different order, but it doesn't change the value. X minus 9, x minus 7.